Alright. Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to replace the cabin filter on my 17 Civic. So, model year 2016 to 2021. Actually, most of the Hondas, replacing the air filter is pretty much the same in all of them. So it's real simple. First thing you want to do is empty out your glove box. And I got my cabin air filter. This is a premium air filter from CarQuest, and this one was $20 for the list price, and I actually got it for $15.50. They gave me a discount because I bought 4 filters all together, which was really nice. So yeah, $15.42 it costs Canadian plus tax. Right? So what you want to do first is drop your glove box, and there's like a spot over here. You have to open that up and open this side up. So you have to use both hands here to get it. See how that spot comes out? Maybe I need a flashlight for this one. Anyway. There we go, I got it. So back in here, you can see that right there. So right in here, there's locking tabs. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so right where my finger is, there's a little tab. You just gotta pull that tab, and there's a little tab over here, and of course, there we go. So this is what it looks like, and it has a thing on it that says airflow down. Has your little tab here, right? So you just push to that tab, and that releases it on this side. Okay. And in here is your filter. And so what you do is you just slide the filter towards you. And it's dirty. Yeah, it's really dirty. Okay, so that's the filter. See, it's got all the stuff here. I park like under a tree and stuff. And all sorts of stuff gets in there. So you got to replace these like every 6 months or a year, right? Easy switch though. So the airflow, it has the airflow right there. It says points down. Has airflow here, points down. So you take this, turn it a little bit, slide it in all the way like that, and then you take this and you put this back up. And it's easier with 2 hands, but I'm trying to take a video, so I'm going to do it with 1 hand. And there we go, locked in. Done. And then for the glove box, you just take your glove box, you lift it up, and it locks back in place. Alright, so that's a real simple fix, right? Now, I got this one for, like I said, $15, $15.50. People have told me on my YouTube channel that on some of their vehicles, they're charging up to $90 for this. Now, I'm going to assume that that is the filter and the labor, but really, how long did it take me? Like a minute to do that? It takes you longer to actually take all the stuff out of your glove box. Anyway, so I hope that helps you out, and I hope you guys save a bit of money doing some ultra simple maintenance yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching.